That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh shit, that's a good fish. Oh, oh no, 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 spin me around. That might help too. Oh jeez. Oh man, pull and drag and pulling the yak. Good morning. Today is Friday, May 24th, and we are back up at Tulloch Lake, and that is the first cast of the day right there. And we are looking to add on to our May total for the KBF online tourney. And this lake is come up. It is almost full. And the water temp is 58 degrees on the surface. That's pretty cold for this time of year. Got him. Smallie. Woo! Uncle Ned. Let's go. Ooh. Right up here, your eyeball. God darn it. There you go. Look, 12-incher. First fish of the day. Uncle Ned. Got him. On the run. Yeah, we picked it up on the run. Number 2 smallmouth of the day. Ooh, that was a little better. Quick release. Got him. That was a fish. It's a smallmouth day, ain't it? Unfortunately, they're not big smallmouths. But hey, another 12-incher. Got it. Right there. Bottom bed. A 12-incher. 12-inch smallmouth. Oop, yep, he's peeing on me. Got him. Oh, this is a good one. This is a better one. Oh, yeah. This one might help. Oh, yeah, it's a big smallie. That's, well, no, it's not big. It's a nice smallie. I don't think he'll help. He might, but I doubt it. He's long, ain't he? He's a long son of a gun. Tulloch Lake. Woo, there he goes. Oh, got him on the reel end. Oh, that's another good one. He's not gonna help. He's a good one anyway. Right off this thing here. Got it, a bed fish. Oh, that's a bed fish. I saw him, and he came back and he got it. They are spawning. This one might help. Oh yeah, baby. This one's gonna help. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh baby. Yeah. Yes. Holy shit, dude. Look at this pig. Got her right off the bed. That's a pig right there. Oh. 6-pounder. 19 and a quarter. She hadn't spawned yet. I've been telling everybody up here they're not spawned out yet. And you know what? Yeah. Right. Yeah, there's so much glare on the water you can't see in it. So I could be right on top of a 10-pounder and not even be able to see her. There's one. Got it. Oh. That almost. Oh yeah. Good one. Not gonna help, but that's a good fish. 14 incher. Hey there, buddy. Oh, got him. He told me to jerk the rod out of my hand. That's a good one. That's a better fish. That might help too. God darn it, that tinkle fell right out. Man, he about jerked the rod right out of my hand. Seven. 17 and a half, no help. Sixteen and a half, nice fish, but no help. But that's still a nice one, ain't it? Yeah. Take him. Got him. Oh, jeez. It's a good fish. that's a good fish. Oh shit, that's a good fish. Oh no, 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 spin me around. That might help too. Oh jeez. Oh man, pull and drag and pulling the yak. Uh-oh, he may have me stung up in some weeds down there. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish, dude. No, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump in my net, jump in my net. Thank you. Holy crap, that's a good fish. Holy shit. Two good fish. Oh, 20-incher. Ow. You got me. You got me, buddy. That's big fish of the day. 20 inches. Oh man, he's a heavy sucker too. That's two 20-inchers almost today. There you go, buddy. Whew, man, he got me good. Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. Got him. Oh crap. Incher. There's a fish. Got him. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a good fish. Shoot. That was the first good fit I had on in a while, and I lost him. That was a couple of pounder. I don't know if he'd have helped any, but he wouldn't hurt. They're in the back of coves, dude. The smallies are on the points, but the largies are in the back of coves. That was too bad I lost that one. That was a good jump, though. Using 6.8 Mojo MX St. Croix reel. 20-pound braid, 10-pound fluorocarbon. That's a fish. Oh. Ooh, I got one. Boy, that's. Oh yeah, but I don't keep them. No. Well, I fish these kayak tournaments. They last the whole month. Yeah, you're supposed to take a picture of them. 14 and a half. And then you send it into the. Woo! You send it into the website. Oh, I get it right there. Oh, he had it. I missed him. Doggone it. Gosh darn it. I dropped it right on him. He took it, and I missed him. Oh. Holy crikeys. 2006 or 7 pounder right there.